Hello everybody, it's TABKE. This is Chapter 1, Counting Methods for Prob Statistics. You can see the learning goal up here. I can a space for a given event using a square, creating a query table. Please fill in the front of your blue packet with the date and that lesson goal by filling in the blanks. And we will get down to this. Alright, I am going to skip this part. You do not. We will talk about it at the end of the lesson. So, what's your goal? Well, always in math, there's something to have, and this is no exception. The first word is event. Event actually. It's measurement. Okay. This what is this? What is happening? Alright, the next definition that we need is outcome. Heck is an outcome. Outcome. Experiment. So, for example, you flip a coin, the outcome is. Alright. You should also note that one outcome in an experiment. Alright. So that's okay. Kind of the big picture here is we want to look at how do we close this? Alright, this is this list. Results. To flip a coin. One is I can get heads and get a tails. Possible outcomes when I flip a coin. Alright, so for example, game night or something. We're gonna what a possible rolling die. 3, 4, 5, or 6. Alright, what are these goofy things right here? Okay, these are called brackets, and this is set notation. You will want to include brackets or set notation around all possible outcomes. Okay, let's say we make it a little more complicated. Let's say one die. Okay. Tables are full. What are we looking for here? I want a statistics grid to show the different outcomes of the two faces. Does that mean someone's going to add two faces to get the result? Well, before we fill in the grid, we should probably Sorry, that. What are we trying to record? Well, what are we doing? This, we're going to be rolling 2 die and finding the sum. Alright. So, going towards the first item across the top. What was a 3? A 6. So this is dice number 1 result. And a 6 horizontal or vertically down the side. So this is and what do I want to find? I want the space of the sum. So I'm going to fill in the sum. One is 4, etc. Of this, what happens going across the organized table is also going to replicate. It's also going to give me the same totals as. All right, I'm going to please take on and fill out the rest of the grid, and then we'll come back. Hopefully you've paused and filled out your grid and it looks like what I have in front of you now. If not, take a moment and fill it in. So, next sample space for the different sums. Notice in this grid, there are 36 options. I roll those 2 dice and add them up. Alright, the sample space, it's not going to be 36, folks. There's we can get a 3 or a 4 or a 5 or a 6, 7, and I'm going to keep going until I get to the biggest total or the biggest sum, which is 12. And notice, since this is a sample space, I have included this list. Alright, so 36 to the table. But how many options do we actually have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's only 11. How come it's different than 30? Well, you'll notice that we did not list twice. Even though 3 is in the table, I didn't write it down twice for my sample space. Even though I did not write 4 lines down in my sample space. So when you write a sample space, you don't have to put repeats in there. Alright, final question. Outcome occurs most often. I'll find it. Around the middle. So, to answer my question, I would say occurs, and it occurs sometimes. It happens 6 times in my grid. When will that be important? Rolling 2 dice and getting a 7, or getting a total. 7 is your best bet, because guess what? That's the one that appears the most out of the 36 different ways to get your total. Alright, thank you very much. Let's move on. Alright, you order breakfast at a restaurant. The restaurant has 2 choices of drinks. So, wonder what type of drinks you can pick. I'm going to write down milk and put an M as my key, because I don't want to write milk down 50 billion times. There's my options for your drink. Okay. Continues as The restaurant also has 3 choice of meat: sausage, ham, and bacon. Let's list a meat here. And again, I don't want to write sausage and bacon, so I'm going to use just a letter to write. Alright, here's my goal. It says, you order this has all the different combinations for what you could order. Alright, well, I can start with milk. And then I could choose milk for my drink, and I could pair it with ham for my meat choice. Or I could choose my drink, and I could pair it with juice. Alright. What can I do for my first choice? I could do orange juice, and the third, orange juice and bacon. So look at this list of outcomes for my choice. How many different ones do we see? 4, 5, 6. Think about it. If you add an option, this is just a little add bonus. Choices, milk, sausage would have a pancake or a muffin option. Each one of these options, if I added like pancake, some numbers get pretty big pretty fast. Alright, moving on. Example 4. Using the list of rows from the beginning of class. Okay. Answer the following questions. Let's just say this. Let's say. Alright. How many different orders? Let's see. I could keep it. Okay, there's so the other 2 options, but B is the first runner up. A, B, or B, A. Looking at that list, are there any other we could have A, B, and C in order? I'll be honest, folks. So how many do we have total? 6. Alright, what is our goal? Good. Question number 3, I'm going to ask for options when you flip a coin. So I want to give you a little hint on this. Okay. When you think about flipping, 4 times. So that's an F. Flip 4. Okay, what scenario? Heads. Heads. That's one possible outcome. Go ahead and get a tails. Heads. That's another option with 3 heads and a tail. Or heads. Heads. Now, I've given 1, 2, 5 options. Okay, I can give you a list. There are 16 outcomes that you should be able to list on number 3. So that you go through it in some orderly, all 16 of those on your answer.